Hello, you guys. So today it's a little review about the Tesvor Vacuum Cleaner Robot, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty nice and handy, as you can tell. It looks kind of cute and has two brushes in the front, and it has no problem going up a little aisles, as you can tell. So that's also a pretty neat thing. And what I really like about this robot is that it has a station that actually empties the robot. Besides that, it is sounds-wise pretty neat, and the app is also really handy and works pretty well. As you can tell here, you have a bunch of information and options you can go through, and you can decide what you want to do or what you don't want to do. But it's pretty straightforward, and as soon as you start the first time, you can tell right here it is scanning the surroundings and is creating a little map so it knows what to do in the future, and you can hit certain areas on the map where you can tell the vacuum not to clean or to go to. So that's pretty nice and handy as well, especially if you have certain objects or little areas in your apartment or in your house where you don't want it to go. And as I said, it's nice and easy to handle. It also tells you how long it probably takes to clean certain areas and all that. So yeah, all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. Sounds wise, I think it's totally fine compared to other vacuum cleaners. Um, could be way louder. I mean, it's not super quiet. Obviously, it packs a punch. And as you can tell here, there's a lot of other options you can choose from. You can have a timer set up and certain dates or days where you want the cleaning to be happening. So that's also pretty nice and handy. So you don't have to worry about doing that yourself and telling the robot to do what to do. You can just leave it that way and watch it doing its thing. So that's pretty cool. And let's see what else we have. We can tell it how strong the suction should work. You can have a look at the parts that are built in, when to replace them, and all that. All that's pretty neat, nice and handy as well. And all in all, I would say this is a pretty nice, handy robot, which I don't want to miss in my apartment anymore. And that should be it for today. And I would say we see us the next time on our channel.